Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today, I'm going to show you how to post on the Community tab in YouTube. So I'm starting here on my channel. Make sure you're logged in first. You should be able to see up here based on the profile picture what account you're logged into. And if you click on it, it shows you the handle as well. So if you're not in the correct account, make sure you switch accounts first, then go to your channel, which you can see I'm already here on my channel. Then go to the Community tab. Depending on what you want to post will decide what you need to click on here. You can choose an image, you can create an image poll, a text poll, a quiz, or a video. And note that when you choose video, it would be an existing YouTube video. I'm posting an image, so I'm going to go ahead and click on image. And notice that you can do up to 5 images or GIFs. So you can drag and drop them, or you can click here and select add from your computer. I do have it open on my other monitor, so I'm dragging and dropping the image here. I also have my caption on my monitor, so I'm going to copy and paste where you can't see what I'm doing, but I am copying and pasting from another file. Okay, so I've got my caption and my link and my image. And you can click here on post if you want to post it right now. However, if you want to schedule it to post at another time or another date and time, you click here on this arrow, schedule post. And then this pops up at the bottom. So if I wanted to schedule this for today, but at noon, and you can also switch this if you want it to be a different time zone. I'm going to leave it on local time. It recognizes my local time, which is Eastern, and click on schedule. So now you can see here that you've got 3 tabs. You can see what's already been published, and you can also see what's scheduled because you might want to go in and make adjustments to what you have scheduled. So you can come here, see what's scheduled. I only have 1 right now. And then you have the 3 dots here where you can edit it if you needed to change it, and you can also delete it if you decided that you did not want to post this. All right, so that is my quick tip for today. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more tidbits in the future. Thank you for watching.